Hey guys, I'm Teddy from NorthFire. Today we're cooking on the Inferno Infrared Grill and we're making salmon.
For today's marinade, you'll need honey, fresh dill, garlic, Dijon mustard, salmon fillets, salt and pepper, fresh lemon, and olive oil. Place the fillets in a medium-sized bowl and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, season with salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh dill, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix well, refrigerate and marinate for at least 4 hours. Add 4 or 5 cubes of butter to the drip tray and place in the third rack of the Inferno until melted. Set salmon fillets on the tray and slide into the third rack, cooking for about 3 minutes. Plate alongside your favorite side, adding a good squeeze of lemon juice to really liven up the dish. Please follow our channel at NorthFire Ltd for more recipes, and check out northfire.com to learn more about the Inferno Infrared Grill.